So I just made it to my hotel, but my room isn't ready, so I think I'm gonna grab something to eat. I think there's a Bulalau, I think that's how you pronounce it, restaurant not too far away. So I'm gonna walk over there and check it out. CJT. Oh, they got something going on down there. Ooh la la. Oh, no blogger. Ooh. That's just one. Wow, nice view. So they just brought me my food. Check this out. So I don't know how that video gonna turn now. There's a couple times I didn't know if I had my camera on. I just got this camera like a month ago, but this is my first time actually using it on this vacation. About to try to go back to my hotel, see if they got my room ready. But I'm liking this view around here right now. Oh, and that place, it's one of those places you take your family. I'm trying to get some bulala, but they only had the family size portion, shareable meals. So I had to buy a single dish. That's why I got the lechon, which was pretty much fried pork belly. So yeah, but let's go check out this hotel. Hey, how you doing? Okay, thank you. Check out this view. The sun coming out was a little bit cloudy earlier. Well, it wasn't really cloudy. The cloud was just blocking the sun. Got the volcano out there. So I just got to my room. This is what the room looked like when you walk in. To the left, you got your bathroom and everything. Let me turn the camera around. Nice bathroom. I like it. I don't even remember how much I paid for this place, but it's definitely worth it with the view. And it's a standard room. Got your little closet right here, safe and everything. Got your view in it. Oh, that's a. Oh, that's cool. Got this nice view out here on the balcony. This is the first floor. View probably better on the upper floors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get situated in this room real quick. It's been a long day when I got the haircut. Made my way to the bus. The bus was about a 2 hour ride. Rode about 58 kilometers. What else was it? Cost only $4. I was surprised about that. Only $4. So I'm liking it so far out here. But until next time, y'all take care. Remember, YOLO, you only live once.